Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making salad chicken. This lightly seasoned, boiled or steamed chicken breast has become a popular dish in Japan for people who are health conscious. You can even buy individually vacuum-packed salad chicken in convenience stores. This protein-packed, low-calorie chicken can be added to not only salads, but also various other dishes. The ingredients are super simple. Chicken breasts, water, salt, and sugar for brining. You will also need a plastic wrap and Ziploc bags. Let's begin. We have a couple of chicken breasts and poke the surface with a fork like that. In a bowl of water, add salt and sugar and stir until dissolved. Submerge the chicken in the liquid and cover and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Take the chicken out from the liquid and pat dry with the paper towels. And wrap each chicken breast with plastic a couple of times. And put the wrapped chicken in a freezer bag and press to remove the air and seal. And repeat for the other chicken. Boil water in a big pot, then add the chicken in the bags and boil for 3 minutes. Cover with a lid and turn off the heat. Let stand for 30 to 40 minutes. And cool completely. You can make a larger batch and freeze them at this point. Remove the bag and the plastic. You can slice it like ham, cut in cubes or shred it. Add the chicken to your favorite salad or just eat as is. Try this moist, tasty, and healthy chicken for everyday meals.
美味しい。美味しいね。